back to my YouTube channel. This is Everyone Slays on YouTube. Yeah, and because everyone does slay, you know. Take that as a compliment, please. Okay, let's start playing Cabin Crew. So yeah. Let's start. Here we are. Let's create a flight. 3 stars, really good. I'm thinking of buying this plane. I really don't know, but I really like this plane, but like the plane. Oh my god. I need to save up a lot of money for this. It's fine. I'll probably, no, it's too pink, sorry. I like that one, but I don't like that one at the same time. I think that's the second biggest plane. I don't know. Really don't know. Oh my god. No, it's definitely not. This is probably the world's biggest plane. Oh my god. There's 2 levels of seats. Yeah. Let's go for this one. I'm not wasting any more money because I don't want to. I'm going to do 2 flights. I'll do it back to Roblox, yeah. 3 flights. Okay, this is what I've got. And then, yeah, this is my plane. Flight number 4009. So, yeah. It's my airline. First class food. I don't know, really don't know. So, yeah. Start. Gate 2. I can go this way. I don't want to go through the thingies. And the gate that is shown on your boarding pass. Click the plane icon if you are struggling to find it. Yeah, no, there's no T2. So gate 2, this is gate 3 and 4. I'm going to go up here. There's my plane. People will sit here until I start boarding. Yeah. This is mine. I'm going to New York City again. So many times. But yeah. There's a person, I don't know who. He just delivers food. Okay. Yep. So I need to pick up these napkins. Put them in that cupboard up there. Add napkins. Close the cupboard up there. So these are the I don't know the word. Sorry, pilots. There we go. Yeah. I need to hold down on this. Close this up. This is where people board onto the thing. I'm gonna put some boarding music on. Yeah. There we go. I can start boarding now. People start coming in. Yep, people are coming in. Is that person in pajamas? Sorry. No, she isn't. She's in an outfit. That's cute. Cute. Oh my god. Ew. Baddie. Oh, I'm naked, man. I need to kick him off the thing. I don't know. I don't know how you do that, but I really don't want anyone playing. Yeah, it looks like there's no cabins in this. So, yeah. Okay. Listen to this guy.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of
There
the
he
flight.
is.
Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
There we go. What's this? There we go. Oh, sorry. Guys, This is basically how I do it. Yeah. So we're gonna push about the taxi. I'm not gonna skip the taxi. Once I already did this video, this is my first video of doing this. So second video of me doing this, I'll probably skip the taxi. But yeah, there's a taxi. This is my plane. So yeah. So yeah. Why am I saying so yeah all the time? Weird. That's the airport. Really weird airport, actually. It's really odd. So yeah. I'll be going this way. Okay. I went there last time, but without filming this video. I'll be like helping people, giving them food if they need food, actually. If they need. Probably won't need it, but yeah. I'm gonna keep you guys on this place, but I don't know which way we're going first. I think we're going right. I really don't know. No, we're going left. I knew that would happen. Oh my god. So yeah, we're gonna be going this way instead of the other way that we went last time. Last time I played. Ugh. So yeah. I've got 1,519 skybucks. Now it's raining. Oh my god. I have to be seated now. So, yeah. It's 12 a.m. Wednesday. I think that's morning or afternoon, but it's dark. So I'd say morning. Or at night. I don't know. So yeah. Oh, you want to... you guys will probably want to see that. Don't mind that, please. There we go. The wheels are going in. That's really soft. Soon I'll be serving carts. Let me just zoom in more. Ooh, wobbling. Alright, yeah. The guys will see it now. Oh my god, there's so many people. I have to give him a coffee? Oh my god, the naked guy. No. I don't want to serve you, but okay. Chips. Oh, look all crisps. Crackers. She wants some water. Okay, that'll do. Good. Which I can think to eat. Nut mix. What's that? Oh, right, okay. Alright. Peanuts. Would you like anything to drink? Let's ask. Coffee. Alright, so we're gonna give him a drink. Coffee. So many people with the coffee today. Oh my god. Almost everyone. Oh my god, there's 3 people with... 2 people. 3. Sorry. Blind. Yeah, 3. What did you just ask? What did he ask for again? Guys, tell me. We'll just have a look in a second. No mix. So yeah. Would you like for a drink? Please water. Coca-Cola. Oh, rude. Alright. Eat. Everyone's going for nut mix today. Some people have gone to crisps. Might be chips for you guys. Pretzels. These are new, by the way. 5 of these are new. Oh, 2 of these are new. I need you to give me a drink option. Coca-Cola. At least it's not coffee. Alright, yeah. Now we need to collect the rubber. Oops, sorry.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us. We hope to see you again soon.
Yep. We're going through 3 flights. So. Don't know why you have that up. Better fold that back up, girl. Oh, you're not doing it, are you?
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Yep. Seat up. Oh my god. Alright. Cool. Alright, everyone's ready. Let's go sit down, and this is our first flight. Oh my god. So, yeah. Let's land. Let's watch. So you guys, after this, once we've landed and all the people have left and I've already done all my tasks, this is going to be the end of the video. So yeah, I hope you like this video anyway. So let's carry on finishing this before, yeah, I have to say goodbye. Here we are, you see the lights? That's where we're going to be landing. So we're going to have to get the wheels are already out. Wow. So I might skip the taxi because I really need to finish this video off, and yeah, might skip the taxi. Let's skip the taxi. I'll get teleported. There we go. Oh god. That moves. That thing moves. I don't know what it's called, but it moves. And it's cool. Alright. I need to jump up. I'm not opening the door yet, because I need to open all these. I need to keep them on. I actually haven't had any bad customers. That's really good. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I need to open all this. I don't know. Oh god. People. Why would people not open the overhead bins? I need to make sure no one's left all their stuff. Why have you not opened? Yep. I got 226 Skybucks today, guys. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.